Hello everyone, my name is Gabriella, and in this short tutorial I'll be taking you through how you can accept payments on your Loyverse point of sale with SeerBit. Let's get into the video. So once you are on your SeerBit Loyverse web application, you click on sign in with Loyverse, which means you are signing in with your usual Loyverse credentials. You click on allow. Once that is done, it will bring you back to this page. You click on open point of sale. This would then take you to the Loyverse dashboard. You can see that on this dashboard we currently have two items. So let's assume your customer wants a bottle of water worth 50 naira and also a gold shoe. But before we go to make that payment, let's go back to the Loyverse back office and refresh this page. Once the page is refreshed, okay, you can see that we have a gross sales of 200 naira, and this is important because when payment is made, we would come back to that page to now see the new amount. So let's now go to charge your customer now. So make the payments of 100 naira, then confirm and send to POS. This automatically sends the payment to your POS and for your customer to make payments. And this customer is making payments with card. So let's wait for that payment to come in. Once payment is made, it would automatically confirm on your dashboard that payment has been made. Let's go back to the Loyverse back office and refresh. You can see that your gross sales has increased to 300 naira. So this means this has automatically reflected on your back office. And that is how you can successfully accept payments in Loyverse using SeerBit. Thank you.